Two-letter words. The sound of each letter. We are going to learn about two-letter words to sound together, make sensible word. First, we take our vowels. Let's see how many vowels we have. There are. It's A, E, I, O, U. Now A is used on A, M, M, A, N, N, A, S, S, A, T, at. Let's repeat. A, M, M, A, N, N, A, S, S, A, T, at. We have seen all these A vowels two-letter words. Now let's see two-letter words with the help of vowel E. Let's start. First, B, E, B. B, E, B. H, E, he. H, E, he. M, E, me. M, E, me. W, E, we. Let's repeat. B, E, B. H, E, he. M, E, me. W, E, we. Let's learn two-letter words with the help of letter I. IN, in, IF, if, IS, is, IT, it. Let's repeat. IN, in, IF, if, IS, is, IT, it. And then we start with vowels letter O. OF, off. ON, on. OR, or. OX, ox. NO, no. GO, go. SO, so. LO, low. TO, to. DO, do. Let's repeat. OF, off. NON, on. OR, or. OX, off. NO, no. GO, go. SO, so. LO, low. TO, to. DO, do. With the help of U, we make the word is UP, up. US, us. Let's repeat. UP, up. US, us. Now we are going to learn about those letters which are not vowels. Those letters are B, M, Y. With the help of these letters, we make two letters words. BY, by, MY, my. Hi kids, let's to do exercise about two letters words. Now you tell me about the sound of these two letters words. The sound of this two-letter word is M. Now tell me about this letter's word sound. Yes, it's N. A-N-N. Now tell me what is the sound of this letter? Yes, S. A-S-S. Now tell me what is the sound of this letter? At. A-T. At.
Yes.
And the next is, this is B. B-E-B. Now what is the sound of this? Me. M-E. Me. Now What is the sound of this letter? E. H-E. E. Now, what is the sound of this? V. W-E. V. Now, next one. What is the sound of this? In. I-N. In. Now, this is F. I-F. If. What is the sound of this? Is. I-S. Is. Now this is it. I-T. It. What is the sound of this? On. O-N. On. Now what is the sound of this? Off. O-F. Off. Now what is the sound of this letter? Or. O-R. Or. What is the sound of this letter? Ox. O-X. Ox. Now what is the sound of this? No. N-O. No. What is the sound of this? Go. G-O. Go. What is the sound of this letter? So. S-O. So. Now what is the sound of this letter? Low. L-O. Low. What is the sound of this letter? Two. T-O. Two. What is? Do. D-O. Do. Now the next two letter words are, what are is it? Up. U-P. Up. Now what are the sound of these two letter words? Us. U-S. Us. What are the sound of these letters? B-Y. By. Now what are the sound of these letters? M-Y. My. Now keep it up, these two letter words in your minds. And like, share and subscribe for more videos.